Thumbs up. Yay. おっさんもやるんだよね。毎週新しい仲間できますね。Getting your sugar fix early, huh?
Hey, bro. We're shoveling the shit out of the houses while I do all these things.
Shelby. Hi, Shelby. あなたも友達作れるからね。
Oh, it's got Woodwood rotor.
Isn't that nice? This is fun, huh? 今日は箱スカー乗りなんだけど、フォードの帽子ですね。また不思議。フォードの時は箱スカの帽子になるのかな。Nice ride. If I had a feeling, I think he's going to come off the light pretty fast. Here we go. 今は最高だって絶対やるなと思ってたんだよね。いいね。いいね。すげえよ。おっさんもやるんだよね。今日はヴィンテージマーケットですね。ヴィンテージマーケットは最高だよ。俺がこの間行ったんだよ。動画もあるから見ててね。このマーケットはすごい楽しいですよ。ヴィンテージマーケット。車好きとか昔のもの好きにはすごいいいよね。あっバカつまんでね。ほら。ほら。来た来た。しばらくね、この車では来てないから、どうだろう、人多いかな。ほら、ロードスター、ロードスター。人が少ないな。車を置いて、お、ほらほら、セントリーだよ、セントリー。ほら、エリックが来たぞ、エリック。What's up, Austin? Hey, pal, how are you? Are you guys staying? Cool. Okay, let's go do it. お、ハイドロリックアップしたんで、この子追いついてきた。What's up, man? What's up, man?
Dude, how you doing?
Good. How are you today? That donut looks pretty tasty. Look at you guys getting your sugar fix early, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Tell the Japanese people this is what we should not be eating in the morning, right? But that's what we eat in the morning, us Americans. Shit. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon, man. Thumbs up. Cool, bro.
Japanese.
This guy just blew my doors off at a light, man. Smoked them, roasted them for about a half a block. You want to sit inside this one though and check it out? Come on, I'll let you blow the horn too. Do you like it though? You sure you don't want to blow the horn one time? I think you should. I want to blow right now. Ready? Come on, help me push it. 1, 2, 3. Did you ever hear that?
Here before.
You had a Supra, didn't you?
Yeah.
Your dad had a
It was
Supra.
actually red.
Dave's Oscar.
Hi, Oscar. Hi, Oscar. Good boy, Oscar.
Sit nice.
Good boy. Good boy. You like doggies? You want to pet him? He's sitting down now. Right-hand drive crew. That's nice.
This guy's a boss. Whoever
What's
doesn't
that?
know, he's a boss.
Who you talking about? Thumbs up for Steve, man. Take it easy. Yeah, man. How are you?
Good.
Nice to meet you. Thanks, bro. What's your name?
Will.
Will. to meet you, man. What's going on, man? Nice to, we'll do it this way. How are you, man? What's your name?
Good, Willie.
Willie.
Yeah.
Is that your plumbing company?
Yeah.
I tell kids nowadays, I said, go out and get a job like being a plumber. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. You got no debt, you're in business, you probably got nice cars, nice stuff already. You're a young guy.
Yeah.
Right? They don't get it. Well, electricians, plumbers, all that. Who's shoveling the shit out of the houses while all these while all the spoiled kids are going to school, right? Taking on debt. Good job, brother. I respect you.
Beautiful car, man.
I love you, man. Thank you. こういう絶ですね。ほら、カーブのバンパー、あ、カーブのリアパネルとカーブのウィング。What do you think of this car, Austin? Does it get a thumbs up? Yeah! This is like an old detective's or police undercover car. I think that's an old. I'll tell you what's super cool. If I did another Mopar, it would all be dogfish, wide steel wheels. The engine in the back. A big wing like these. It's a Barris. Yeah. Where's your car? It's a Trip. Beautiful. What is it based on? Thunderbird. It is. Isn't that nice? Shelby. Hi, Shelby. Hi, Shelby. You're a good doggy. You like that camera, huh? You like that camera? This is fun, huh? Thumbs up. Yay.毎週新しい仲間できますね。新しい友達、車仲間、まあ、関係ない人でもね、車は何ですかって言ってくるから、それはいつもスティーブが言うように笑顔とサムズアップで、あなたもスティーブだけじゃないよ、あなたも友達作れるからね。一人でねいるよりもいろんな友達作った方が楽しいよ。本当に車だろうが音楽だろうが自分のね趣味に合う人がほらこういう感じでいつもサムズアップでいくわ。知らない人だよ。See you, bro. ああいう感じで友達作れますね。ではまたそういう意味でいつものサムズアップといつもの笑顔といつも前向きに 日々前進というテーマですね、スティーブ的視点は。Amazon の方をチェックしてもらいましたでしょうか。新しいグッズもスティーブ的視点のグッズはいっぱい入ってるのでチェックしてね。 Amazon ストアのリンクはこの下の説明欄に入ってます。ではまたお会いしましょうね。よろしくね。